Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make mango salad in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. In a bowl you're going to add in chopped mangoes. I've used one mango. Then you're going to add some tomatoes. I've used one tomato. After that you're going to add some red onion. I've used one red onion. Then you're going to add some coriander leaves and some salt to taste. I've also added a pinch of black pepper, but you can add more black pepper if you want. Then I added half tablespoon of vinegar, but you can use lemon juice instead. After that, we're going to give it a mix. Make sure you mix that well until it is well combined. Guys, thank you so much for watching my recipe, and I don't take you for granted for your support. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And just like that, you'll have your mango salad ready to be eaten. You can take this with some pilaus, nyama choma, or just like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye. Happy festive season.